The first step to perfect bed adhesion is to clean your build plate. This will reduce the oils on it. Speaking of oils, try to refrain from touching your build plate with your hands. To clean your build plate, start by washing it with water and a shop towel or microfiber cloth. This will get rid most of the oils, however. You can use some dish soap if you feel the need. After you wash the PI sheet with water, to clean it more, cover the build plate with some 99% isopropyl. Cleaning the build plate is important as it gets rid of oils that can have a negative effect on build plate adhesion. Glue allows for your prints to better stick to the build plate. I will show you later how to apply glue to your PI sheet, so stay around for that. When I first started using glue, I used the one that came with my Elegant Neptune 4 Max, however. When that ran out, I started using normal glue, and it works perfectly. In summary, any glue stick will work. Apply the glue where the printer will print on the bed sheet. When you apply the glue, go in circular motions, and try to prevent any parts where the glue is not flat. There are many different settings to increase bed adhesion, and you can play around with what works the best for you. For example, raft and skirt. In my experience, brim is the best for ease to remove and the bed adhesion it provides. To remove the brim, I recommend using a deburring tool. If you do not have one, you can just use your hands. To increase bed adhesion, I recommend increasing the bed temp for PLA to 70 degrees Celsius. In general, for whatever filament you use, increase the bed temp for better bed adhesion. One, clean your build plate. 2, apply any type of glue. 3, use brim in higher bed temperatures.